In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and add a watermark to any photo using Canva. This is a simple but very important step if you want to protect your images, designs, or brand content from being reused without permission. Even if you're completely new to Canva, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open Canva and either create a new design or upload the photo you want to protect. Once your image is on the canvas, look over to the left-hand side and click on the text option. From here, choose a basic heading or add a text box. This will be used as your watermark. You can type in your brand name, your personal name, a website, or even something simple like CAP, your brand. After typing your text, resize it by dragging the corners until it looks right on your image. You don't want it too big or distracting, but it should still be visible enough to discourage people from stealing your work. Next, choose a font that fits your brand style. Canva has plenty of clean and professional fonts, so take a moment to pick one that looks good on your image. Now comes the most important part, transparency. Click on your text layer, then look for the transparency icon in the top toolbar. It usually looks like a checkerboard. Drag the transparency slider down until the watermark becomes subtle but still readable. A good range is usually between 15% and 30%, depending on how bright or dark your image is. The goal is to make the watermark noticeable without ruining the look of the photo. You can place your watermark in a corner, across the center, or even duplicate it and spread it across the image if you want extra protection. If you already have a logo, you can upload it instead of text. Just make sure the logo has a transparent background, then resize it and lower the transparency the same way. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Share, then Download, choose your photo format, and save the image. Your photo will now be exported with the watermark applied.